In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove an email account from Outlook. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along inside Outlook without feeling rushed. This is a useful task if you're setting up a new inbox, switching accounts, or simply cleaning up old accounts you no longer use. Before you begin, make sure Outlook is already open on your computer, since everything we need will be done from inside the app. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner of the window and click File. This will open the main account and settings area, where Outlook keeps the options related to your email setup. From there, click Account Settings. A menu will appear, and in that menu, click Account Settings again. This takes you to the window where all existing email accounts connected to Outlook are listed. If you want to add a new email account, look for the New button and click it. Outlook will then prompt you to enter the email address for the account you want to add. Type the email address carefully, then click Connect. At this point, Outlook will begin checking the account settings and guiding you through the setup process. Depending on the type of account you're adding, you may see a few prompts on the screen. Just follow the instructions provided by Outlook until the setup is complete. Once everything has been successfully added, click Done to finish. A helpful tip here is to give Outlook a moment to fully sync after adding the account, especially if the mailbox contains a lot of existing messages, folders, or calendar data. It may take a little time before everything appears. If instead you want to remove an account from Outlook, return to the same Account Settings window. In the list of accounts, click on the specific account you want to remove. Be sure you select the correct one before continuing, especially if you manage more than one email account in Outlook. After selecting it, click Remove. Outlook may ask you to confirm the action, so read the message carefully and proceed if you're sure. Removing an account from Outlook disconnects it from the app, so it's a good idea to double-check before you confirm. This is especially important if the account is still in use. And that's how to add or remove an email account from Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.